New now at 5. For the third time in 12 months, an infant is dead from pertussis, or whooping cough. The Kentucky Department for Public Health made that announcement today. These 3 deaths are Kentucky's first ones from the respiratory virus since 2018. The department says there's been an increase in cases due to lower vaccination rates. According to the 2024-25 Kentucky School Immunization Survey, only 86% of kindergartners and 85% of 7th graders are up to date on their whooping cough vaccines.